Exponents are a shorthand way to show how many times a number, called the base, is multiplied by itself. We have the number 2, and we're going to see how these exponents work. If we have 2 to the power of 2, then we have 2 times 2. 2 times itself 2 times, which equals 4. We also call anything to the power of 2, you can call it squared. 2 squared. Okay, now I want to show you something really cool. I want to explain to you why they call it squared when you have a number to the power of 2. So let's take 2 again. 2 to the power of 2, or 2 squared. Okay, so we're going to say that is 2, 1, 2, taken 2 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and what shape do we have? Well, we have a square. 2 to the power of 2 is a square. Well, let's see if it works for another number or any other number. Let's try 3. 3 squared is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, taken 3 times. So that's once, 2, 3, that's twice. 1, 2, 3. 3 taken 3 times is 3 squared, and it makes a square. Pretty cool, huh? That's why it's called 3 squared. Okay, let's look at this square and try to figure out what it is. There are 4 across, and there are 4 down. So it's not 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. It's you go across and then down, and that's how you get your square. So it's 4 squared, which is equal to 16. So there's 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Now we're just going to do a few more examples. In the first example, we have 3 to the 4th power. That means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So 3 to the 4th power is 81. The second example, we have 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 175. So 5 times 5 times 5 is the same as 5 to the 3rd power, or 5 cubed. In the last example, we have 8 squared, or 8 to the 2nd power, which is 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So another way of writing 8 times 8 would be 8 squared. Now it's time for some practice. The first one is 2 to the 4th power. Write it out all the way in your notebook or on your paper, and then see what it equals. And the second one, I want you to solve the expression, because this is where you'll mostly see exponents used. 4 squared plus 3 cubed equals blank. Come back in a second after you've worked it, and I'll show you how to do this. All right, here we go. 2 to the 4th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 to the 4th power is 16. In the second, in the expression, 4 squared is 4 times 4 plus 3 cubed, which is 3 times 3 times 3. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. And 16 plus 27 is 43. Okay, I thought I would leave you with some really cool pictures of what we did at school today. Hope you enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow.